In this tutorial, we're creating a fun dog-themed first birthday invitation that's playful, cute, and ready to sell. To get started, I'm using an existing template as the foundation. One of the easiest ways to create new products is by transforming templates you already have instead of starting from scratch every time. Now that we've cleared some space, we can start adapting the invitation to fit our new theme, changing the word party to give it a more playful, dog lover feel. Little details like this instantly add personality and help make a design feel unique. Next, I'm rearranging the text and moving a few elements down. This creates some extra breathing room and gives us space to add something fun without making the layout feel crowded. Now that the text is roughly where I want it, let's find a cute illustration to bring the theme to life. Let's see what we have. Oh, this one is adorable. It's a great fit for the overall style, and it immediately helps communicate the theme of the invitation. I'm making a few small adjustments to the text size, spacing, and positioning. These little refinements make a huge difference when it comes to readability and creating a polished final design. Everything is starting to come together, so now let's have some fun with the colors. Since this is for a baby's first birthday, I want the palette to feel cheerful, playful, and cute. Testing a few different color combinations is a quick way to completely change the mood of the invitation and make the illustration feel even more cohesive with the overall design. And just like that, we have a completely new invitation. The best part is that this same process works for virtually any niche or occasion. Start with a template, focus on the overall concept, make a few intentional design decisions, and you'll be able to create professional-looking products quickly and confidently.